Hi, Cassie. We miss you. Do you feel bad? You better soon, Cassie.
Though I'm trying not to show it, but everybody knows it, my confidence is slipping and sliding away.
It feels just like we blew it. Don't know how we'll get through it. We'll need to find a way to do it, then we'll be okay.
Hey, come on, you guys. Wait a minute.
Don't look back, don't look over your shoulder. Make your move before you get any older. You can do it, you can save the day, and I'm behind you all the way. Keep your head and use your common senses. Keep your nerve to jump those hurdles and fences. I'll be there to keep you right on track, so put your best foot forward. Our best foot forward, and don't look back.
See you later.